In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook and turn free traffic into consistent commissions step by step. I will share with you my methods, my strategies, which affiliate links you should promote on Facebook, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate links, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end and let's get started. So for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on Facebook, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, as you can see, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and I made $14,291 in commissions just in 27 days, from the first day of December until the day 27. Okay, just by using free traffic. Okay, so what you will do, first step is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, anyway, so what you will do, go to the first page and just click here on join now, and here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put it here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up and you can start from any country that you are from. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on Facebook. Okay, so I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Facebook and it's still working, and I will show you how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So keep watching and pay close attention. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page, click on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for this service. I want you to pay close attention. Like I said, search for logo design, scroll down, and here you go, you will be directly in this seller profile page. So I want you to pay close attention like I said. Okay, so after you search for logo design, you will scroll down and here you go, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. Okay, what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated sellers or pro sellers or level 2 sellers, level 1 sellers, like this one. Also Fiverr choice, choose sellers who has a lot of reviews and sellers who has levels. Okay, so why? Because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, those people will buy this service from those sellers that you are using and you will earn commissions. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. This one is pro seller, so this one is a really good seller, pro seller. Okay, which is really good. You guys can see that the seller has over 1000 reviews, almost 5 star. I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service and here you go, you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. You guys can see that the seller has over 10,000 reviews, meaning over 10,000 people paid for this service. So it's working. Those people who keep saying it's not working, no, it's working. You just need to know exactly which services you need to you should choose and you should use, and you need to find the audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. You can see here 76 orders in queue. Okay, you see how many orders in queue? You see here people keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. You guys can see that the seller is pro seller. Okay, meaning that we will earn. Let's go back to Fiverr affiliate account, to this website. You guys can see, let's go to pro services. You guys can see here pro services, we will earn 17% of the first order, a CPA of 17% of initial purchase amount, and 10% of future orders, meaning you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. 17% of the first order. Let's go back to the seller. The seller is providing this service, just the basic package. It's for $130. Okay, so what's 17% of this? Let me ask ChatGPT to show you. Okay, 7 of $130. Okay, let me show you how much you will earn just for one service. Okay, you will earn, you guys can see, so 17% of $130 is $91. You will earn $91 from just this one service. If just one person buy this service from you, you will earn $91. Just if you can just get one client per day, you can make so much money per month. Okay, pay close attention. What you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller. Okay, copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you will do next, you will click here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook, go and open your Facebook homepage like this. Just go and open your Facebook. You guys have a Facebook account. Click here on the search. Okay, just click on the search and search for logo design. Search for logo design. Okay, and you have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups. We need Facebook groups, and here you go, you will find a lot of Facebook groups here that you can join. And for public groups, that's fine. Even if you didn't join those groups, you can still use those groups. But private groups, you should click on join so you can use those groups. Anyway, let's pick one group. For example, this one, logo designer. I will choose this one. Just click on the group that you want to use. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find people here who are searching for services. This one searching for banner design. You can find this service on Fiverr. Let's scroll down, and here you go. This person searching for logo designer. You guys can see, just posted this post today. Okay, this person searching for logo designer. Okay, those people are your customers on those groups. For you as a beginner, if you start focusing just on Facebook groups, you can make up to $5,000 per month just with those services. Okay, with free traffic from Facebook groups. You guys can see, if we scroll down, here is another one, logo designer needed urgently. You guys can see this one also, search for logo designer. Let's scroll down. I need image background remover, this per image. You guys can see this one is searching for background remover. You can find this service also on Fiverr. Let's scroll down. Professional graphic designer needed. This one is searching for logo designer. So I will pick, let's choose for example this person who is searching for logo designer. I will click on his name and I will click on message. Okay, so this person is searching for logo designer. So I will send him a professional message with my affiliate link about this service, the logo design service. Okay, this one. Okay, so how you can create good and professional message that you can send to this person. You can use AI, you can use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT and just use it. It's for free. Ask him, create a professional, okay, message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy, okay, to buy uh, Fiverr, to buy, I will not say Fiverr, to buy logo design service from my website. Okay, and I will click like this and I will get a professional message that I can send to those people. Okay, and here you go. This is good and professional message, you guys can see. Are you looking for professional logo that truly represents your brand and leaves a lasting impression? I offer high quality logo design service. You guys can see. You will get a good message. You will copy this message like this, and you will put here. So optional if you have a discount. If you have a for example, if this seller has a discount, you guys can put the discount here. So this message can convert this seller to buy this service from you. Okay, or if you don't have a discount, that's fine. You can also here you will put your affiliate link. So let me show you. I will copy this message, I will go back to Facebook and I will put this message here to this person who is searching for logo designer. So special offer, I will delete this, I will not use it, and here I will put my Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, you guys can see. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr Step A old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, and it's almost the same. You will copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long, so I will make it short. You guys can go to Google and search for Bitly if you want to make your affiliate links short links to make them looks more professional and branding. I don't like to put my affiliate link too much long like on those Facebook message. So I will use Bitly. I will click on create new link. I will put my affiliate link here and I will click on create. Okay, and I will get a short affiliate link. It's good. And here you go. Copy this link, go back to Facebook, and I will put my affiliate link here. Okay, and I will click on send, and here you go. This message will be sent to this person who is searching for, to this one who is searching for logo designer. This one is searching for logo designer, so you can send him this service as an affiliate marketer. Okay, you guys can see, sorry, you guys can see, like I said, you can see here, visit my website now to explore more and place your order. This is your website, for example. So if this person click on this affiliate link like this, he will be directly in the seller profile page. You guys can see, click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn $91. Okay, because this is what you will earn. Let's go back, let me show you. You guys can see pro services, you will earn 17% of first order. Okay, and 17% of this first order of this is just the basic package. It's $91. If they buy this one, you will earn more. If they buy the premium package, you will earn more money. Okay, this is exactly, you can make up to $5,000 just from those services on Facebook groups, just promoting those services. Okay, you can, if you can get just one client per day, which is really like, it's really easy. You just need to learn marketing and how to market those services and how to convince those people to buy those services from you. You need to talk with those people good. You need to know exactly what this service that you the service that you are promoting. You need to know more about the service, and you need to know exactly how to convince those people to buy this service from you. You will talk with those people like you have an agency, like those sellers on Fiverr who provide this service are your team. Like those are your team, and you are like you have an agency. Okay, you understand? This is exactly how we can promote those services on Facebook groups. And you have a lot. You guys can see we have here logo designer, job needed immediately. If we scroll down, we have a lot. Let me show you. You can find a lot of people here searching for logo designers. I need freelancers for my project. This one need freelancers. You can talk with this one if you want. Logo designer needed. You guys can see I need logo designer 10 to 50 per logo. If we scroll, logo designer is urgently needed. And you have a lot of people searching for logo designer. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address. Inside my course, I'm teaching you a lot of methods that you can use, how you can create content to use it and promote your affiliate links. You will get access to my personal services that I'm promoting, how you can find audience that will be interested to buy those services from you, and so much more. I want also to make this clear. This commission that I made, it didn't come just from Facebook groups, okay? Of course not. I'm using YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and so much more. And in each video I'm posting in my YouTube channel, I'm sharing with you guys new service, new audience, and new platform that you can use to promote your affiliate links to start making commissions. So we get a lot of traffic from different platforms. This is exactly what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next video.